Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this content creation platform, which is Holo AI. So let's quickly get started and dive into it. Talking about Holo AI, it positions itself as a fast and a simple content creation tools, perfect for ads, social posts, and email campaigns. It learns your brand voice, support over 90 languages, and it can generate polished content in minutes, saving times and solo creators valuable times. It comes with a clean interface and automation features, which make it especially handy for marketing workflow that needs a constant fresh material. On the downside, Holo AI output can feel generic at times, require manual edit for nuisance or complex topics. Some users have also flagged billing and cancellation restriction, which makes the subscription feel less flexible. On the downside, Holo AI is a strong pick. So if you want a speed and simplicity in marketing content, but less ideals if you need a consistent long-form quality or worry about fine-grained control. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.